What's going on, everyone? This is Antoine Thomas here with the Silverline Real Estate Group in the Lafayette area. And I wanted to bring to you guys a market update. What has transpired in the month of January 2024? As always, we are committed here at Silverline to providing the most up to date, accurate information. That way, you can make an informed decision when it comes to buying or selling in real estate. So here we are. Let's break down in 2024. It will start with how many homes were actually listed last month. Okay, so in January, there were 173 homes listed in the Tippecanoe County and surrounding counties. The number of homes that were sold were 160 homes. The average sales price of those homes that sold was $244,000. The sale price to list price ratio was 98%. So sellers, homeowners that were putting their home on the market, that were getting 98% of what they were asking for. And then the average days on market sold was 33 days. Okay, so homes are still selling extremely fast. Now, let's put things into perspective. What is going on day to day in the market? What are some of the questions that a lot of the clients that we're helping, that we're serving, what are their questions, and what are the solutions that we are utilizing to help our clients really, get what they want in the time they want? So number one, let's start on sellers. A lot of the questions that we're getting from the seller perspective is, should I sell my home now? Should I sell now? Should I wait? And the reality is, what we always tell people is, it depends on your unique situation. Do you need an upsize? Do you need a downsize? Do you got a job transfer? So, like, maybe you got to move here soon because you're going to be transferring from one city to another city due to a job transfer. It really just depends on your situation. Now, logically, when we're looking at the numbers, most of the time you're going to be in a very strong position to be able to sell your home, sell it fast, and really net the money that you want to net, or very close to it. Okay, there's a lot of people that we're helping that are able to walk away and sell their property, be able to upgrade or downgrade or whatever it is they're trying to do, and they're able to pocket a lot of money. And that's thankful, to our economy, and thankful to the demand of homes on our market and the low inventory that's able to happen. Okay, now also, what helps make that happen is obviously the agent and marketing power that the agent deploys, how you price your home, all that good stuff. But we're seeing a lot of our sellers being able to make a transition and really be in a great financial position coming from it. Now, from the buyer perspective, because obviously a lot of the sellers, I believe right around 74% of homeowners, when they sell their home, they buy another home. So what we're noticing on the buyer side is, you still got low inventory. You're still in a situation where you may have to compete against other buyers, right? But the good news is, in the month of January, we've seen the buyer pool, meaning if you're a buyer, the competition that you have actually be a lot lower than, let's say, like a May, June, July season. Okay, so a lot of our buyer clients have been able to avoid the competition through multiple different strategies that we deploy, and also the fact that the buyer competition is smaller right now. Could be due to the holidays, could be due to the seasonality, the winter, and a lot of people don't like moving during the cold time, so that is understandable. But we've been able to see a lot of great opportunities out there in the market. Here's some more good news too. If you are looking to make a move here in 2024, the lenders that we're working with out in our community, they are getting extremely creative, and they're really offering some great programs that allow you to not only secure a lower rate, because rates have dropped as well. We've seen over a 1% drop in the past 60 to 75 days. Now, lenders also offer loan programs that will allow you to secure even a lower rate than what the market is offering right now. So lenders are doing their best to get creative and really help people be able to make that transition in their life. So there's a lot of moving parts, but the good news is, there's a lot of positivity and optimism moving into the later months of the year. So to kind of put things in perspective, should you sell now? It depends on your situation. We see people selling every single day. Uh, do I need to find a house before I actually put my home on the market? No, you don't need to do that. There are several different strategies I've utilized to make sure that sellers that we're helping are going to be in a position of where they're not going to be homeless and they will have time to find the right home so they're not rushed. And then as a buyer, whether you're a renter, you're a first time home buyer, and you're wanting to really make the move, but you don't know if it's the time to do it, I would say definitely have a conversation with your preferred agent. Hopefully, it's Silverline Real Estate Group, and we will sit down with you and we'll come up with a home buying strategy. And it's going to be dependent on your time frame, and we're going to work around that time frame. That way, when it is time for you to make a move, you have the best loan program available, you have the best strategy available to you, and you're able to make that transition without any delay, okay, any hassle. So, what to look forward to in 2024? I expect rates to continue to drop. I don't know how low they'll get down to, but the rates will become even more favorable as the year goes on. Okay, now I don't have a crystal ball, but that's what I believe will happen. I also believe that inventory will increase very slightly. Naturally, we're going to be in a very low inventory type of market for a while because builders can't keep up with the demand. A lot of people that have secured a very low rate are not really wanting to move right now, which is understandable, right? Um, a lot of people a couple years ago were moving just to take advantage of the low rates. Now people are a little more patient to make a move because they're not going to make a move until like family or something in their life requires them to make a move, if that makes sense. They're not just moving just to do it, okay? But I do expect for inventory to increase with the market, with the seasonality, with the warmer months coming. I do see and with the rates dropping too, I do see inventory increasing slightly because sellers will want to make that transition as well. That's all I really got. I mean, I could really keep going, but at the end of the day, just keep in mind um, couple things you need to pay attention to. Number one, is your home sufficient in size? Is it providing what it needs to for you and your family? And is your monthly payment going to allow you to get the home that you want? Okay. And if those are questions that you're really not being able to get an answer to, reach out to us at Silverline Real Estate Group. We'll be happy to provide as much free and valuable information to you as possible. You can check us out on YouTube. We put tons of information up there every single day, every single week to continue to inform the community. You can reach out to us on Facebook, check us out on Facebook or Instagram, or go to our website, slreg.com, and we will be happy to help you there as well. And again, we're committed to just providing as much information and contributing to the community as possible. So I will wrap this up. We'll put a bow on this. And 30 days from now, 30 to 40 days from now, you will see me again where we break down what transpired in the month of February of 2024. And then again, in the meantime, let us know if you need anything. But it was a pleasure speaking with you and providing value. You guys stay safe out there, and I'll see you soon.